Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use the buy it now option on your eBay. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, open any browser that you want and search for eBay. Go ahead and click on the first link right over here. And let's say, for example, I want to purchase this product, whatever it is. Apparently this is an auction, so that is not going to work out. Wait, let me just go ahead and find a good deal real quick. So let's say on a smartphone, and for example, let's say iPhone 13. Now there is going to be the buy it now option right over here. Simply go ahead and click on it. Once you go ahead and click on it, it's going to take you right over here where you can simply go ahead and choose your ship to or your address. You could also input your payment method and simply go ahead and confirm it, and your card will be charged as well, or your payment method will be charged. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.